Alright, what's up guys? So basically this video, I'm sorry if the audio quality isn't as good on this, but definitely the visual quality will be better. I'm using my actual camera, not my phone, so just thought I'd try it out for this video since I could just set it up while I'm filming. But basically this video is going to be a room transformation. It's probably going to be a multi-week thing, so the time that I'm filming this right now is probably like long before you're watching it. My room is a complete mess and I want to start cleaning it up now and getting some of the furniture moved so it's ready for the transformation. But basically I want to completely redo my room, not only my business but also my YouTube channel. I want to have a good workspace where I can think clearly and be submerged in my work and film videos that are appealing for you to watch so that you don't just have this whiteboard in the background. But this is going to be a really big, important video to me. It would mean the world to me if you guys could like, and if you're watching this and you aren't yet subscribed, please subscribe if you like the kind of content that I'm putting out. But with that said, let's get to it. I want to show you guys what my room looks like right now, even though it's a complete mess, but that's okay because that makes the transformation even better. So basically this is what it looks like when you walk in. There's my desk and workspace there. Those are my shelves where I have all my decorations and shoes. And so I have my bed there, my dresser, and another desk there with some art, and then a really simple corner there. That's where you walk in. And then my closet here. I'm not sure if I'm really going to be redoing much in my closet, but basically some of the things to look out for. I want to utilize this corner more. I'm probably going to put my bed there. I also don't want my bed to be the first thing you see when you walk in. I want to make my bed look cleaner and everything. I want to take down these stickers here because I actually still am really into Harry Potter, but that's not the main focus for me right now. So it's a little bit cluttery, but I do like it. Maybe I could make more use of this wall right here. I want to move my desk, and then I want to put my shoes in somewhere where they can be on better display, and cleaning up all my desk and floor right here. Sorry to pause you in the middle of cleaning, but I also wanted to mention that I want to have more kind of like decorations, kind of like HYPEBEAST decorations and just cool little features like that. I want to be able to put my Travis Scott Reese's Puffs up on display and everything like that. So basically, I finished just like the general cleaning up right here. You can see I didn't really clean up my bed itself, but kind of everything around my room. So maybe now I'm going to get starting on moving stuff, and then I'll probably start cleaning up my bed first, and then I'll show you guys, and let's get to it. We got that corner completely clean except for my little business card on the wall there. Now I'm going to get my bed here moved over there. Sorry about that. Alright guys, so mission complete. We do have the payload in the desired location, and it looks like it's a good fit. I had to put it awkwardly away from the wall on this side over here so that there would be enough, or so that I could put it close to the wall on that side since there was a plug for Ethernet blocking it on that side. Alright, so I finished moving my bed and trundle and everything like that, and I have my nightstand there. But what I didn't think through is the fact that for me to have my ladder there, I can't have my nightstand there. So that's a little bit awkward. But I have my ladder right here for now. I don't really use the upper bunk that much except for kind of like putting stuff there. Although I might start using it more. But I do really like now that my window is completely open. Before my bed was in front of it. But now it's nice and brings a whole bunch of light in. And yeah, it looks a lot better now. So I want to get some of the shelves moved around And yeah, basically I want to get my stuff in place. Alright, so I just moved my my dresser thing, and let's flip you guys around. Alright, so I just moved my shelf, and that's what it looks like there. I'm honestly not actually sure how I feel about it there. I thought that it would look good in front of the bed. It does look good when it's filled with all my shoes, but I don't know, and let's see how it looks. From the bed, it looks like, okay, it's like a little bit kind of nice blackout, but at the same time, it's not super nice. So I guess we'll move other things to where I had planned to put them anyway, and if I think of any good ideas of where to move stuff instead, I'll move it there. Alright, so basically we came into a little bit of a problem. Everything is looking good everywhere except for, I had planned on my layout blueprint thing to put some Supreme skateboards up on the wall above that right there, that table there. But I think you all can see that my whiteboard is there. Okay, so sorry for the mess. My room is a complete mess now with all the unboxings and stuff I've done. But I just finally took off the wall stickers. That is much delayed. But I got the Supreme decks in. Here, I'll show you guys. I know that's upside down. But I got the Supreme decks in, and there we go, that's them. I'm going to be using these command hooks. I just bought them on Amazon, 4 of them for like $7 or something. They said they're supposed to hold like 5 pounds each, and the decks are each 3 pounds, and I'm going to use 2 hooks for each deck, like you guys will see. Alright, so I turned off the camera for a bit because I was taking a long time to measure things out. Because I do not have the bottom shelf up yet, I wanted to make sure that the skate decks will line up with the bottom shelf. Now I figured out where I want them and everything, and I was supposed to, on the instructions it says to use rubbing alcohol on the wall to make sure that it's clean before you put the adhesive, but I don't have rubbing alcohol right here. I don't know, my parents might have it, but I'm just going to use hand sanitizer. Alright, so I just took down the thing because the method that I was going to do wouldn't work. I'm not really sure why I thought it would. It was kind of stupid. So now I'm just going to try a different method, which is the typical one where I use twine. But luckily the package did come with a whole lot of extra sticky things, so I don't have to worry about running out of those, as long as I just do it right on this method. IKEA now, finally, after like a month or something. Yes, it would have been worth it for me to, here, let me turn on the, yes, it would have been worth it for me to just buy the shelves via shipping, because it took me like a month to end up driving all the way up to IKEA anyway. But it kind of worked out well because I was like, I just want to finally drive up there rather than just keep on waiting until like I happen to be in the cities. And I was like, this works out well because there's a release this weekend, and so I signed up for the in-store release at the Mall of America here, and I did secure a pair of the smoke gray Jordan 1s. I must say, these are fire. No pun intended, but these are fire. So these are a really, really nice, like, felt kind of material. I don't really know if you'd call it suede. Yeah, it's kind of more like felt. And I mean, the leather's just kind of, it's okay. It's kind of cheap leather, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, so we're getting my shelves now. I should say I'm getting my shelves now, and I'll see you guys after I get them. after going to IKEA, I didn't film this part, but I got my dad to explain to me a little bit about how to put up the shelves and how to do like the drywall anchors and everything like that. And I didn't film that part just because it would have been a really long time lapse and whatever. But as you guys can see, I have most of the shelves up, and I'll do a time lapse of putting the rest of the shelves up. And ta-da, look at that. It is finally done, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is just beautiful. I don't know if you guys agree, but I personally am very proud. Alright, ignore my extremely messy room, but let's grab a few pairs. And I'm thinking something else should go right there. I don't know whether, should I put like a 350 box, maybe? Alright, let's see. What do you guys think of that? Looks pretty good. I'm gonna put the next shelf up over there. Alright, so check it out, guys. I got the last shelf up. I was thinking I'm gonna put my Travis Reese's Puffs up on here, just like that. And then I was thinking maybe a couple Funko Pops. Those are kind of in right now. I have these ones. And I'm not sure what else I should put. Maybe, do you guys think like 350 box would be good? Alright, so I finished up the corner there, looking rather fine. I changed up the shelf a little bit, put my LV painting thing there, and then in addition I bought these strip lights called Govee off of Amazon, so I'm gonna put them up and show you guys the final result. Alright, so that's what they look like with both of them on, and these ones do connect to Alexa. They were like 20 or 25 bucks each. On Amazon, they had some different options. For some were app controlled, some were remote controlled. The remotes were cheaper, but this is the final look at it. Nothing else. Well, I guess I should show you guys the other parts of my room. That's my bed. It's a little messy. I have a pineapple painting thing back there. Then I have a shelf there, and then my wardrobe dresser thing there. And this is where I take my pictures for my Instagram reselling account right here. Let me know how you guys thought it turned out. I am personally really happy. Some of the colors and stuff turned out kind of grainy in the video here, but I personally really like it. The skateboards look really nice, and I like the shelves there. I like the shelf under the skateboard, how it frames the skateboards with the ceilings there. Alright, so this is the view when we look at the entire room. We got my corner there, that's most of what I worked on. And then my whiteboard with the lights, an extra desk there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I might just kind of leave it clean, it looks nice like that. Lights behind that shelf with miscellaneous stuff. I might put lights behind there, to be determined on that one. I have my photo that I took and printed out there. Saxophone, just random stuff. Another shelf here to be filled with, I don't know, shoes and maybe some clothes and stuff. And there's my closet, it's messy in there. And my bed and my nightstand and everything like that. I think probably soon I'll get some lights to go under this shelf here. I think that will look very nice there. And then like I mentioned, maybe behind there. This is the look with the lights on and my main lights off. So you can see these really pop out here. It looks different on camera, but I think it'd be nice to have that shelf illuminated too. And I think that would be good illuminated there because right now it's kind of heavy on this corner of the room with the lights. There's no lights anywhere else. And then I think this would be really cool, but I don't think I'll do it. But I think it'd be really, really cool to put some lights behind the skateboards. I think that would, I don't know, that would just look so cool if there was like that glowing light effect behind the skateboards. So guys, let me know what you think of the new setup here. I personally love it, like I said so many times. I mean, of course, I put so much time and effort and money into this. But, oh, that's one thing I forgot to talk about. I forgot to talk about the money. So, in total, I think I mentioned the lights cost like 50 bucks total. The Alexa I got with a free promotion thing. And then the shelves I got from IKEA. So these are under the LAC line, L-A-C-K. You can just search LAC and you'll get all sorts of shelves that look like these. Some of them floating, some of them not. This one here I think was 10 bucks. That's like a 4 foot. It's like 3.5 feet long. And then each of these were 7 or 8 bucks. So the total added up to, along with the screws and stuff that I bought, added up to being about 120 bucks. I mean, it's a little bit pricey, but for a whole setup, that's not bad. For shelves, that's really not bad. I mean, if you were to buy something like this at Target, it would be like each one of these shelves, we'd be talking like 20 to 40 bucks a piece. So IKEA's the way to go, man. I would personally love to get some more kind of like HYPEBEAST decoration kind of things, like the skate decks or a Virgil Abloh clock or something on other sides of the room too, because I mean, this is the only side that you guys really see, but I see all the sides, so I would like to have it in some or other blank spots in the walls. But with all that said, I thank you guys for making it all the way to this point in the video. Make sure to have a good rest of your day. Make sure to leave a like on this video. I would love for this video to get 10 likes, as is our normal like goal. And with all that said, guys, we out. Peace.